So hello everyone, I have built a personalized student recommendation system. Let me explain. Let us suppose you have taken a quiz in a neat app. You have taken MCQs, 100 MCQs you have taken, and then after taking all the MCQs, and at last you get a score. You will get a score, and by seeing that score, you will realize that okay, I have got this much question right, this much question wrong. But the problem is that you won't know that which topics you were strong, which topic you were weak, and which topic you were moderate. So we have to know which topics where we are good at and which topic need more practice. To get this recommendation using ML, I have built this system which will fetch the data from the JSON file using an API, and then it will provide insights, recommendations, and divide you into personas like you are a intermediate level, advanced level, or moderate level. So let us see how this system works. So this is just an overview. I have made two types of applications, like one is pure Python and ML based, and another is front end and back end. Front end is HTML CSS, and another is and back end is Python, in which also has ML. So let us see the features. It takes the data from the API, fetches, and then analyzes and provides recommendation, and then cluster students into personas. That means dividing the students into personas according to their persona, and then visualizing the results using Matplotlib and Seaborn. So I have used these technologies: Python, Flask, Pandas, NumPy, because Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Scikit-learn. I have given the setup. What is the setup you have to use to make this and approach? How I approach this. These are the screenshots of the Python Python applications. Yeah, and this is a screenshot of my website. So let us see the sample input and output. How does this system works? This is the website. In this website, let me enter a URL which contains the JSON data of the user and user quiz data. Okay. After entering the URL, I will analyze the data, and after a few seconds, I will get the analysis of the whole JSON file. So I get the analysis of the whole the data. So I have get topic wise performance summary, uh, in which I will exactly know which topic I have more accuracy and more score, and I exactly know that how much topics need. So let us see how much topic needs improve. So this human reproduction, the accuracy is low. Here reproductive health, the accuracy low, score are low, and this average score is low in respiration and gas exchange. So I exactly know which topic I need to study more to gain more marks. So this is a crucial thing that more apps doesn't have, and more MCQs doesn't provide this type of system in online. I also provided recommendations, weak topics. Just like we see, human reproduction, reproductive health, principle of inheritance and variation are the weak topics, strong topics, and moderate topics. Yeah, and then I have divided the student into personas. So I have taken multiple student data. So there are multiple student personas. If I have taken one student, then it will show that one student is advanced or beginner or intermediate. So this was the front end and back end based. So let us look at the pure Python based. So this is the pure Python based code. We got the Matplotlib visualization of the topic wise category. So people could easily see which topic they are best and which topic they are not good at and could improve more. This was the one visualization. Another visualization is the distribution of student personas, because I have taken multiple data of users. It shows multiple user personas, and most of the users are advanced or high achiever. Okay, and next we see the output. We got the same output as we have seen in the HTML page, but the difference is that it is not in table wise. So it has given raw, like body fluids and circulation accuracy is this, and average score is this. I have given all the accuracy and average score of all the topics, and also it has provided me feedback for each topic, like moderate, strong, and to look better, I have provided feedback below also for topics to focus more on, topics that have been well done, keep practicing, and moderate topics. Yeah, and also I have student persona summary also had given at the end. Let us see the logic behind this. I will show the Flask based. So Flask Pandas request Scikit-learn has been imported, initializing the Flask app, fetching the data from the URL. This process, we have fetched the data from the URL. Then I have prepared the data, cleaned the data, and I have separated the quiz data. And then at last, Yeah, I have calculated the accuracy and replaced the percentage with the divided by 100, and the score and final score has been changed to numeric format. Also, at last, the divided data frame is at last has been merged, and the merged data frame is then uh, calculated for accuracy score and final score, incorrect answer and correct answer. For these topics, we have calculated mean and sum of both. Yeah, we have used group by function, then aggregate function to perform this, and then we have returned the topic performance. Which in next we have taken three arrays for weak, strong, and moderate topics, and they have been then we have iterated, and then we have appended all the topics which are weak or which are strong or moderate. And at last, we have used ML to first we have standardize the values for accuracy score, final score, incorrect answer and correct answer. We have standardized the value and then scale. Yeah, we have used standardized scaling. Then we have used k-means algorithm. We have taken three clusters for because we have three personas. Then we have taken random state 42 because we want that random order should be remain same each time the program is running. And then we have returned merge data frame and also map all the data is like a dictionary. And that yeah, at the home route we have taken the API URL and taken the data, and we have performed all these functions, and then we have written all this in the HTML page, and that's it. And HTML page just show the data to the user in an easier format. Yeah, we have static style.css file, and we have templates index.html. It just takes the URL and then post the URL to the Flask, and then we just display the data here, and that's it. Thanks for listening, guys. And this was just a student recommendation system for the quiz and MCQs. This makes them easy for their preparation. Yeah, thanks for listening.